Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply identify or how you can spot phishing email in Gmail app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gmail. So I'm going to open up my Gmail right here. Then having opened up your Gmail, next thing you need to do is to head over to a certain mail that you did not recognize. So for instance, I'm going to use this particular email as an example, Boya Advertising. So I'm going to click on the mail. Now having opened up the mail, this is how it's going to look like. And sometimes phishing mail does not come with links or download stuff. This is just a bait to a phishing mail. So what you need to do is to pay extra careful so that your Google account don't get hacked by all these phishing hacker. So for you to identify if a mail is phishing, what you need to do is to click on this particular point right here under the sender name. So click on here, and this is going to pump up. Now what you need to do is to simply copy the URL of the sender. I'm going to simply copy this sender URL right here. So I'll click and hold down with highlight. Then I'll make sure I copy all the URL sender. So what you need to do from the URL sender right here, you just need to check on their domain name. And for you to check on their domain name starts. So having copied the URL of the sender, we are going to exit from my Gmail app right here. Then we head over to my Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply click on my Chrome browser right here. So you can use any type of browser, but in this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. Then I'm going to make a new tab. Then I'll click and hold down. I will paste the address URL in my search right here. And the next thing we want to do here is to make sure we delete the we delete the mail ID and the @ So I'm taking my mouse right here. I will make sure I delete the Yahoo ID, delete the mail ID and the @ Then the next thing we want to do, we'll be left with the domain name of the email. So what we need to do next is to simply click on search. We search for the domain name. So just like what you see right here, you can see that this particular domain name here is a phishing website. This is more reason why that Google blocked this particular URL. There is no information that attached to this. So if you continue with that type of mail, there is possibility that your Google account is going to be hacked. So in this regard, this is how best to check on any phishing mail or any phishing link before you can click on it in your Gmail account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.